Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to block a friend on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to block a friend on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to block a friend on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to block a friend on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Blocking a friend on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different options in left corner. Click on chat button. Here you are seeing your friends. Click on any friend you want to block. Now click on three dots in bottom left corner. Now click on block. This is how you can block a friend on Roblox. There you go. If you wanted to know how to block a friend on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.